What is up, everybody? I just been stupid busy. I really do apologize that I haven't been uploading as much as possible. More or less, I've been really concentrating on finishing this neon. This roll cage was prepped and resprayed last week. I took a few days off of work just so I can get this roll cage ready again. You guys can see this is a fresh paint job. This is stone white. I really want to bring this outside, but I'm really not trying to move it right now. I'm actually going to be jacking it up. Let you guys know, I am working on my timing belt video, which is going to be my next video after this video. But it's just a lot of content, and I'm literally trying to get it in basically just spec. I want it on point so you guys can literally watch it and it's not 20 plus minutes or almost 30 minutes, because you guys remember my cam install video, the top right of the screen, that's the link to that video. It's a 30-minute video, but it literally is a how-to step-by-step on how to either replace your stock cams or upgraded cams and how to go ahead and install them step by step. So go check that video out. Yeah, my timing belt video will be the next video, but I did not show you guys how to install the water pump. It is really easy. The week before, I actually cleaned up the water pump housing with a razor blade, and then I also took a copper wire brush wheel to my Dremel that I bought from Harbor Freight. I actually just went ahead and cleaned it up because when you go ahead and install your 513 fabrication inlet pipe or your stock inlet pipe you can get from Modern Performance, link is in the description for both of those. It's a lot easier to slip that O-ring that goes over the inlet pipe into the water pump housing on the block itself. So yeah, just so you guys know now, because when that video does come out, you guys are gonna be like, yo, how do you install the water pump? It's really easy. Just make sure your surface, your maiden surface, where your rubber gasket on your water pump housing, make sure it's clean. Just do that, all right? Let's get into this video. But what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm jacking the car up and gonna be taking off my XXRs all the way around. And then I'm gonna go across the yard to Jason's house and into the basement and go get my Johnny Boost ABS Delete brake line kit that I ordered from him probably like 3.5 months ago. I'm just going ahead and installing it. Jason went ahead and left me this tool, which is gonna be able to straighten out my brake lines. That way I can go ahead and put them back on. I gotta go ahead and jack this car up and go get those, so when I do, I'll update you guys on what they look like right now, and then I'll go ahead and install them, and then I'll show you guys after. I got my jack right here. I got another jack over here. So let's get into it. All right, now that the neon is jacked up, and in the back I have my Harbor Freight 2-ton holding up my rear end. Well, it was. What I'm gonna do real quick, jack this up so it supports the rear end on top of having my Harbor Freight recalls. Let me get it there. A few more pumps. Hopefully, there we go. I have this flat rust enamel right here that I picked up at Advanced Auto a little while ago, along with VHT Wrinkle Plus. Randomly, and not like I planned this, but I decided to wrinkle black my cowl deletes from Johnny Boost also. This is Johnny. I really do appreciate this. If you guys are interested in having wiper cowl deletes, this is the guy to go to. What I want to do here is just go ahead and flip these because I'm giving them another coat of flat black. This is the side that I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wrinkle Plus. I'm gonna go ahead and give it another coat, and once I'm done with this, we're gonna go into the basement, go get the ABS delete kit. Since I'm here, I might as well show you guys me going ahead and laying down some paint. We are at an auto body shop, so I might as well go ahead and do some sort of spraying, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay the edges. Okay, now that I just went ahead and gave it that last coat, again, this is a flat black, and my next step is Wrinkle Plus. But first, we're gonna go ahead and grab my Johnny Boost ABS Delete brake line kit that I have downstairs, all tangled up pretty much, and I just gotta go ahead and straighten it because he had to go ahead and ship it. The only way to fit it was to bend it just a little bit, but here it is. he did go ahead and did a touch of love by adding little tape markers. So this will be the left rear. You can tell by it being so long, along with this one. So this is gonna be the right rear. Then I have the driver's front and passenger front right here. The two front, I'm not gonna really have to worry about because he didn't have to kink them up, but they were in an exhaust box, so that is why they are like that, and that's how you probably receive them. So hopefully you guys are mechanically inclined to be able to reinstall these. Lexi, babe, come here. Hi, babe. Say hi to everybody. You pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? Yes, you are. I just finished one of these, and this is the driver's side, left rear. Now, I got this one right here, and I just gotta go ahead and straighten this right here, this bend, and then straighten this bend right here. All right, at least I straightened out the passenger side as much as I possibly could. So what I'm gonna do is take the driver's side one and install that first. But before anything, I had to eat something. I got my little chicken littles from KFC earlier. And now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this wrinkle black before I go ahead and install the driver's side rear. Lexi, come on, babe. Come on. Good girl. I just wanna point this out. It says apply at least 3 heavy coats in a crosshatch pattern. First coat vertically, second coat horizontally, third coat diagonally, allowing 5 minutes between each coat. A relatively heavy film thickness is required for the product to wrinkle. So that means it has to be laid on heavy. All right, this is gonna be my first coat vertically. Okay, that is your vertical. And I'm gonna let it chill for about 5 minutes, maybe 10. And then I'm gonna go at it this way, horizontally. All right, so it's like 8:30 p.m. you guys. I'm out here, I'm doing so much. I have the passenger side rear brake line right here, and I have the driver's side rear in but hanging out over on the passenger side right now because I'm taking flat rust enamel right here that I picked up at Advanced Auto a little while ago, along with this rust tough enamel, which I will be using on the undersurface of the Neon where the gas tank goes. I want to go ahead and do some rubberized undercoating before I go ahead and put my brake lines in there because I'm not going to be able to spray up there with the brake lines in, so I want to do that real quick. But I also got to go get Johnny Boost cowl deletes that I have over here. I'm going to bring them inside real quick. Alright. Just gonna put this here for right now, so they still can do their thing. But that's them, you guys. They're getting a little bit more wrinkled as they dry and harden and do what they're doing. But let's pick one up and bring it in here and show you guys. There we go. Look at that. Almost done, you guys, almost done. So I'm gonna let those just chill right there. Like I said, passenger side, got that brake line, that's the driver's side. And I'm also going ahead and putting my dash back together. I also put some carbon fiber vinyl right there so I don't keep on nicking up that bar, because when I was trying to install this last time, I nicked that up a lot. I also took wrinkle black and I went over the brake booster, so that's outside drying with the non-ABS master that Johnny sent with this kit. This is the driver's side and this is the passenger side. Pretty much it just goes like that, up and in there. But I gotta figure out if I can use these holes to hold that one up. And then I gotta figure out how these ones are gonna hang up over here, but I'll figure that out soon enough. But I gotta go get the master and put that in, and I'm more or less just sizing stuff up because I gotta see what it looks like with the master in there. You guys can still see that the driver's side rear is over here with the evap line, all right? And that is going up in here to right here. And I already have my passenger side line in, and it does look like there is something that's gonna be holding those. So I gotta go to the junkyard for that and some other things. But this line is still, you know, all over the place. But you guys can see that, you know, when they are up there, they're gonna be looking nice. But I just gotta go ahead and figure out how I'm actually gonna do it right there so they're away from the turbo. I might go ahead and wrap it with something, but you can see 3 out of the 4 lines are already in. You got the driver's front, passenger front, and then you know, this one goes to the driver's side rear. And yeah, so it's still dry and still tacky, but yeah, I also did that wrinkle black all on that, and I also cleaned this up because there was a few little scuffs from shipping, but that was not really a big ass problem. I already cleaned this too the other day, and I also put my new clutch master in there on the firewall. I also padded my roll cage so I can get in and out with my sandals and nothing in my pockets ever, so I don't have to worry about scuffing it. I got this vinyl carbon fiber right there just so when I'm in and out with this piece, because that piece has to actually come out real quick, well, moved around so I can get the wire harness for the dash underneath here. I tucked that also, so there's another piece right here that I put up there. That's pretty much all assembled down here. I just gotta go get more hardware. You guys can see I got a bunch of different spare hardware and bolts and nuts and everything sitting over here. And I've tried to organize, but it's a lot. But shout out to Johnny Boost. You guys go follow him. Go yeah, follow him. Link is in the description. Go hit him up if you guys are interested in a ABS delete kit from a Neon without ABS. I don't know how else to put it. But where are those? Where are they? Alright, where are they? I gotta find them. Oh, they're over here. Let's see what they look like before we end this video. I wanna see what they look like. Alright. They're not as wrinkled as the booster, but I can go ahead and put a few more coats. I just gotta go ahead and get another can, and it looks like it wanted to wrinkle, but I don't know, we'll see. I'll go ahead and get another can from Advanced Auto, because why not? And I also gotta get some trim to go over this area right there. Hopefully you guys like this video. Like I said, if you guys are interested in either of those two, the cowl delete or the ABS delete, link in the description below. Guys, follow me on Instagram.com/SkittleFabs. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish up doing stuff because I have an hour and a half drive away. That's why I'm over here busting my behind on getting this car done and looking pretty. I got the hood latches in too also. I got those things powder coated a while back. I did those at the old shop. And I have a bunch of other parts in here which I'm pretty pumped about. I got my evap canister right there also. Give me a like, you guys, and give me a subscribe if you guys are not subscribed yet to my channel, because there is going to be more Neon and SRT4 content along the way. I can't say Caliber because I'm parting my Caliber out, but if you guys need any parts, Caliber SRT4 owners, link is in the description below. Also to my SkittleFabs, or direct message me through Instagram. Yeah, so other than that, you guys, I'm ending this video. Until next time, guys, be easy and stay tuned. Peace.